How to empty your cart on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can empty your cart on Hawaii Airlines. Now, first of all, I must let you know that not everyone has this feature of cart or whatever on his or Hawaii Airlines account. But if you do, the Pau Anna Cat is a delightful feature on the Hawaii Airlines flight. And then, if you want to empty this, the first thing you should do is to look for the Pau Anna Cat while you're on domestic flight. To look for this, the first thing to do is to sign in into your account. Okay, ensure you have an account with Hawaii Airlines. And how do you have an account? Move to the top right corner, click on the sign in option, enter in your username, your password, click on sign in, and then once you've done that, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like home, my trips, status book. Click on book, and here go ahead and book your trip. So after booking your trip, while booking your trip, on the page, ensure you pay close attention and look for the Pau Anna cart. So once you can see this, you can see that the cart offers a variety of items, which includes gifts, pillow, blankets, local brews, and island style snacks. So if you do not want all of this, just tap on the cart and then you will see options such as empty carts, add to checkout, etc. If you want to empty the cart, just click on empty cart, and then just like that, the cart will be emptied. But then you can always add this cart to your checkout because they contain things that you might need for your trip or during your trip. But this is how it works. This is how you can empty your cart on Hawaii Airlines. Just locate the PAL Anna cart and then click on it, and from there, follow the on-screen prompt in order to empty it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.